Thinking about hiring a HubSpot AEO agency? Ask these 5 questions first.
Humans helping humans is what AI wants, is what Google wants, is what people want. So don't fake it. Don't create an avatar of yourself, create a script with ChatGPT and create a video with the time that you did that. You could have run a webinar, a real webinar with real people with real questions and capture all of that, which is exactly what AI wants. So when I share the framework, and again, I'm going to share it again, our human to answer framework for AEO. That is what this is all about, is creating trust signals by doing the real things that AI wants and craves and not faking it. Once you did that and you updated the blog, which is again, quick win for you, just go update the blog, put it on ChatGPT and say, update this blog, this, and again, I teach how to do this in all my classes, and I would totally recommend you keep coming because I will keep talking about these things. Once you updated it, you go back to the HubSpot AEO tool and you will put the URL of the page that you created or updated in this case, and track that specific URL. So what HubSpot AEO will do is not only it'll track if things are going up or down, not only it'll track for that specific prompt if things are going up or down, but it'll track if that URL is being used as the source and the citation for that prompt, which means you did something that actually created, which is where the genius of the HubSpot AEO tool is not just tracking where you can see what's going on and guessing. SEO used to be a lot of guessing. It used to be like, okay, I'm going to do some research. I'm going to do some work. I'm going to wait 6 months. And then maybe the traffic went up, and hopefully this is the right traffic, and hopefully they become leads because I did the, conversion optimization on the website. No, this is instant. You can see it in days, in weeks, the numbers going up or down, and you can see the impact of your piece of content, your blog, whatever it is that you did. You can create groups inside HubSpot AEO and see specific groups of prompts that are for specific locations, specific service, or something like that. This is an example of ChatGPT coming late to the game, but also the impact of one blog. I took a listing blog, remember I gave you that example, that listing blog that had all the competitors and the company at the end, reworded, reposted it, updated it, give it a new date, which is also important for AI. And we went from nothing to 34% AI visibility and positive sentiment score. So very positive sentiment score. Like you could see Gemini and Perplexity growing very fast immediately, 2-3 weeks, and then ChatGPT coming then at the end. Connecting the dots, making sure your blog authors are a person and that person has a bio and the links on that bio. And those links are the same image and name on LinkedIn and on Reddit. And you're talking about these things in the same post, not just company posts, but people's posts. Whomever is going to be the face of the company or the multiple faces of the company, yes, that builds authority, it builds trust, and it sends the human real signals to AI that you're really doing this, because anybody can fake anything. Anybody can fake a video, a text, a blog. You can create a blog in 2 seconds. Are you really doing what you're saying? Well, the only way to show it is by having multiple human conversations with you right now, with someone else on LinkedIn tomorrow, with Reddit, people out there. Reddit is all about people. Don't create a profile for your company. Run website grader, page speed, technical issues, fix those. That is the easiest way you can make your website better. And these are going to help you with Google and AI. Implement schema. I just shared the article for that. Your organization schema, your local schema, your FAQs. Every time you put FAQs on your website, they are the place where AI will get the answers to people's questions. Make sure you put schema in the background. Schema tells AI and Google what kind of content you're sharing, structures the data, This is a question, this is an answer. This is a video, this is the title of the video, this is the transcript of the video. All of that is structured so AI and Google can actually capture it a lot easier. Video, of course. If you share video with HubSpot Video, the schema is done for you. So think about that. If you do it with Wistia, the schema is done for you. If you share a YouTube video, the schema is not there. Add the schema for the page. Those are things you need to know. We talk about it in a lot of our blogs about that. Structure the content as much as possible. If you're writing blog articles, optimize them for AI. And it doesn't mean just bullet points. It means questions, an answer to the question in like 60 words, and then bullet points, and then links, and then stats that will validate those things, and graphics that will validate. Question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. Optimize it also for humans because you want them to read those blogs, but definitely optimize your content for AI. Your H2s are important, clear answers to your questions. Use FAQs on blog articles, on service pages, on your homepage, and make sure you add schema.